This is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about adding the properties to an object in JavaScript. In our previous video, we saw about accessing the object properties from an existing object and the different ways of accessing the properties from different type of objects. So now in this video, we will learn about adding a properties to a existing object and how it behaves. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here I have created a index.html and index.js. This index.js has been embedded with my index.html file inside a script tag. Now whatever I am writing in this JS, that will be executed by this script tag. So let me write some object called as simple obj is equal to age as 10. So what I want to do is I want to add some properties to this particular object. How to add the properties to a existing object? We can do that by using two things. One is simple object dot name. That means we can add the values by dot operator, and also one more approach is simple obj dot name. We can add one more property by using array symbol by passing the key like address. So I can assign the value as Hyderabad. So let me console this, console.log of simple obj object. Let me save this and go back to the browser, reload. Here you can see the age property, address property and the name property. Age property is already existing in my object whenever I am creating an object itself, and address is added by using a array symbol, and name is added by using a dot symbol. So when to use dot symbol and when to use array symbol? It is always recommended to use a array symbol whenever you are adding a new property, and whenever you are using a existing property, that means age 10, I want to override that particular value, then you can use dot operator. Obj dot age is equal to, I can give 30. Let me save this, go back, clear, reload. That age property has been overridden because that age property exists in my object. If the key exists in my object, it will override. If the key does not exist in my object, it will create a new one. And there is one more advantage of using an array symbol, because whenever my key value is separated by a space, then it is always recommended to use array symbol. For example, first name, I want to add the key in this way, then I can go with this Sai Kumar. Save this, reload. So here I can add this first name by using a space. Whenever we are adding a property by using a space also, it is always recommended to use array symbol. And also we can add a array to the existing object. For example, const arr is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. I want to add this to the existing simple object obj of, I can add arr is equal to arr. Save this. Now this object contains even an array. Let me clear it off, reload. See here, first name, name, age and address. And also, for example, if we have an object like mobile 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and phone with 040 hyphen 1 2 3 4 5 6. Save this. I want to add this object to my existing array. Simple obj dot obj is equal to obj. Save this and go back. Now clear it off, reload. If you see here, we got an object inside another object, an array inside an existing object, and remaining all the properties, where you saw how to override the existing property as well. So this is how we can add a new property, or we can even override the existing properties for an object. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my explanation, please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.